Hi Year 2, this is lesson 7 of our English work and you should be completing it on Thursday the 14th, but it doesn't matter if you're doing it on a different day, but that's what the plan is. I will be sending you on Thursday, but if you do it on a different day, that's absolutely fine, but try your best to keep up to the work that I've been setting. Okay, so I'm going to talk you through what I'd like you to do today. So yesterday, you came up with here, didn't you? You found some information of what you wanted to write about. So you picked something that you were really interested in and you knew a lot about. So today you are going to be doing a plan for that piece of information. So on the sheet in your English work pack, find this page here. You can pause the video now if you need to get to this page, but find this page here, and it has on it, it's got an example for Lego. So here, the title of your text would be Lego, because that's what the piece of information you're writing about, isn't it? So here we've got title of text and it says Lego. Okay, so you could write in here whatever your plan was. So Mrs. Cockham's might be dogs. Okay, then we've got here your introduction. So you might say Lego is a type of plastic brick that you can make things with. So it's just telling you something about what the object is that you're writing about, what the thing is that you're writing about. So I might have here dogs, and I might put in this box here an animal that has 4 legs and can be a pet. Okay? Then here we want some facts. So we might write here how Lego works. So you might have in this box here how it works, but for your plan, I'd like you to just keep it to some really simple notes before we're writing in full sentences, but make sure we're still using, our good letter formation and finger spaces between our words. So we've got how Lego works. So I might have here some information. What dogs eat. I might just do that. What do dogs eat? And how many times a day they have. So you've got one fact, then you've got a second fact with some detail. What can you make with Lego? So I might have as my second fact, how much exercise do dogs need? Then here we've got a fascinating fact that what could be something that you'd need to research that not many people know, a fascinating fact that some people, that could be an extra challenge. So I want you to make sure you do this part, the introduction, and the first fact. I want everybody to be doing that. As an extra challenge for yourself, I want you to write a second fact and a fascinating fact about the thing that you are writing about. So you could be writing about a TV program. So that would be the title here of your TV programs. Your TV program could be Alpha Blocks. And you could write here a television program that is all about letters, because that's basically telling you what Alpha Blocks is about, isn't it? So it's just some quick notes on your plan. You might need to here, though, draw this on a different piece of paper. So you could write, so you see this box here where it's got your plan, and it's got 1, 2, 3, it's got 4 boxes in it. You could write on a piece of paper 4 boxes for your plan, couldn't you? So if you're in school, you could use your pink learning book and write the notes in there using some post-it notes or something. I also want you to think about who you are writing the information for. So are you writing it for Mrs. Cochran? Are you writing it for one of your friends in the classroom? Are you writing it for one of your grown-ups at home? It would probably be really good to write it for one of your friends or for me. And then I'd get to know lots of different information. If you can take a picture of it as well and send it to me on WeDuck, that'd be amazing. But yeah, if you have a look at this, so the children in the classroom, if it's Miss Mia in the classroom today, I'd like her to take a picture of your work that you're doing and she can send it to me on WeDuck or email it to me. That would be amazing because I want to see all the good things you're doing in the classroom today. So that is where we are going up to, okay, for today. And then we will do another challenge for tomorrow, okay? So today is your lesson and you're doing your plan. So you can write the date at the top of your page, whatever the date is, and you could even write a learning objective, which would be you'd put LO, like we put in our books, and then you could put to plan a text. Plan an information text you could have, couldn't you, there? Okay, so I hope you get on with that okay today. Any questions at all, just contact the office like I say in all my videos, but I'm here to help you with anything you need to help with. But it's just a plan of something that you know lots of information about. So it might be football, it might be gymnastics, as I said, it might be about a television program, it might be about Chris Hadfield or Frida Kahlo. You could choose anything. It might be about space. Have a think about that and do your research, and let's just have some amazing plans of writing about because I can't wait to read them. So happy learning today, year 2, and I shall see you with another lesson tomorrow. Okay, bye.